Hi you guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're gonna actually go over all things Discovery Kit. With spring upon us, we are all in a spring cleaning mode. We are getting out with the old, in with the new, so I think there's no better time to start with the Discovery Kit and start fresh with your makeup routine. And actually, for a limited time only, we are doing a deluxe sample. If you get the Discovery Kit, we're giving a deluxe sample of our vitamin C Ester brightening serum. This serum is so good. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It evens out the skin tone. It brightens, lightens, and tightens. So it's really great for you. So this is actually going to pair perfectly with this, our Discovery Kit, because the Discovery Kit is all about complexion. So it has all of our most popular complexion products in here. It has the Duet Perfecting Concealer, which is, you guys all know this, you guys all love this, along with some of the other really popular complexion products in here that will go perfectly with the Duet Perfecting Concealer to finish your look. And then on top of it, to put vitamin C Ester in there as a complimentary deluxe sample going on right now. It's just going to amplify your look so much more. So this and this together, you will be going into spring and summer with the most flawless skin. So if you're interested in checking out this video, please keep watching, drop a comment, say hello, and let's get into it. Okay, so I just quickly wanted to mention I have my eyes and my brows done, obviously, and nothing on my skin yet. So if you want to see this full eye and brow look, head over to our Instagram. I put this up on IG Reels, so if you want to see the full details and the product details on this look, head over to Instagram, drop me a comment, come say hello, and let's get started into using our Discovery Kit. Okay, so to start out with our look, obviously we're going to prep the skin with our vitamin C Ester all over. So good. I just wanted to quickly show you, this is what the full size looks like. So this is the deluxe sample that you're getting. So you are getting quite a bit of product in here. So with this deluxe sample, you're gonna be able to see the difference, see how it works over time. So you're getting this complimentary when you get the Discovery Kit. Okay, so to start out with our complexion, we're going to start out with the Duet Perfecting Concealer, which is my favorite concealer. It works so good, so we're going to start with that wherever we need it and go from there. Okay, so to start out, the first thing that I'm going to use from our Discovery Kit is our Duet Perfecting Concealer. So it's a full size Duet Perfecting Concealer that you're getting in the kit. So I really love that because it's so popular. So I know a lot of you are Duet Perfecting Concealer customers, so I know that if you are already getting this, it makes sense to get the Discovery Kit because you're getting everything at a really great value. Start out with the concealer, just reaching for the Hynt Beauty concealer brush, and we're just gonna even out wherever we need. So any redness that I have in my skin, this just takes down and evens it out, but it doesn't ever feel cakey on the skin. I actually have a birthmark right here, so it does such a good job of covering that, which a lot of concealers don't. So this birthmark that I have is very dark, it's very red, and this concealer, I mean, does such a good job of covering it. So if you have any darkness underneath the eyes or any pimples or any breakouts, don't worry, because this concealer has your back for sure. You can always count on Duet to do the job and get the job done and stay all day, which is definitely also important. So best of both worlds. It's vegan, lightweight, non-comedogenic. Cover my other pimple so I focused on a little bit more coverage underneath the eyes. I obviously didn't blend anything out yet, so right now I'm just placing it and evening out the skin tone. I'm just taking down any redness. Okay, so now that we just placed our concealer, we're gonna go ahead with our sponge and blend everything out. So after I blended everything out on my face, I actually just like to go in with just a little bit more where I think I need it. Totally up to you on this part. Customize the coverage as needed. As your look, however much coverage you're looking for. I'm looking for a little bit of a fuller look today, but feel free to customize it depending on the look that you're going for. Okay, so now that we've used our Duet Perfecting Concealer, we're gonna reach into our Discovery Kit and we're gonna grab our Veluto Pure Powder Foundation. It comes with 2 different shades, which I love. Sometimes I use both, or the Discovery Kit, you can see which one works better for you. You can have one that works better for you when you have a little bit more color or when you have a little bit less color. So I think that coming with 2 different shades is perfect to find your perfect match. So first up, I'm taking the shade Soft Beige, and I'm just tapping in a little bit of the product on the top of the lid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with our air blender brush. So we're just dusting that all over. So Duet Perfecting Concealer and Veluto Pure Powder, and then this side is just Duet Perfecting Concealer. Now that we have our Duet Perfecting Concealer and our Veluto powder all over, our complexion is nice and even. So next we want to go for the Radiance Boosting Powder. And the Radiance Boosting Powder gives your skin such a pretty, healthy glow to the skin. Who doesn't love a good glowy moment? Okay, so we want to make sure that the look we just did with our complexion stays in place all day. Whether you're dry, you're oily, whenever you have a little bit of oil in your skin, sometimes what happens is that oil breaks down the makeup. So we don't want that. So we want to make sure that we're controlling how long our makeup lasts, and the best way to do that is by using our Finale Finishing Powder. This one is Translucent Pearl, which comes in the Light Discovery Kit, but the Finale Finishing Powder is going to just be the glue that locks everything into place. It's going to make everything last a lot longer, and we're going to go ahead with a little bit of that. And we're going to take the kabuki brush that comes with the Discovery Kit, and we're going to just swirl it around in the top of the cap. And we're just going to set. We want to use a pressing motion here. And what you want to do with your kabuki brush is press it in your most oily areas to set anywhere where you think your makeup might break down. This brush is so soft, completely vegan, handmade, such good quality. Okay, so we did everything that we wanted to do with the Discovery Kit. We evened out the complexion. So next we're gonna reach for our Solaire bronzing powder, and this guy is really fabulous to add some color back into the face. After you've used your Discovery Kit and evened out the complexion, you wanna go ahead and add some warmth to the face or a blush, whatever you feel is necessary to complete your look. Okay, next we're gonna go for our Alto Radiant Blush in Passion Pink. This is one of my favorite shades. It's such a pretty romantic pink shade and it looks good on so many different skin tones. This is such a pretty blush color. It's such a romantic, pretty flush of color, and I feel like it finishes any look. Then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of our Aria Pure lipsticks in the shade Bellini Nude. Bellini Nude I think would go really good with this look because it's a little bit of a lighter shade and I went a little bit darker on the eyes. So when you go darker on the eyes, you want to make sure that you go a little bit lighter on the lips so you have a little bit of a balance in the face, because if you did dark here and dark here, it would be too much. So if you go really dramatic on the lips, go a little bit more softer on the eyes. I'm just going to use a little bit of this and I'm just going to dab it. So all you have to do to get your free deluxe sample of the Vitamin C Ester Serum is add your Discovery Kit to your cart, and then this deluxe sample is going to come already in there. There's no code necessary to add. You don't have to add any code. You're just going to get the sample with the Discovery Kit, and you guys, there's no better way to start the new season, spring off, with flawless complexion, because you're getting everything that you need with your complexion and skincare. So new makeup and new skincare routine. Hello spring, hello flawless complexion.